Every journey leaves behind a memory, and the memory is what stays with us long after the journey ends.
Makasam over here, poetic was name with the Hotando, but Alikishi ni Kuidio, so let's get on with the video.
Today we're heading to Mount Teyozwu, and the weather, it's questionable. A plan barely exists. But yeah, sometimes the best stories come from the days you don't fully plan. So yeah, as the town slowly disappeared behind us and the mountains came into the view, we had no idea what the day would bring. All we knew was that we were heading into the hills, chasing a little adventure and hopefully some decent views. So yeah, this is how it went. So there we were in Kohima, and at first it was just me and Krishna. Then brother Amule decided to join us, which was a great thing because he knew the track really well, better than any of us. And a little later, Kolo joined us, and just like that the group was complete. Nothing too complicated, just a bunch of friends, some questionable weather, and a mountain waiting for us somewhere up ahead. Bro, weather report please.
Huh?
Weather report.
Weather is the weathering.
Ale, ito rasta wala bike गर्ने नै. ताइ गर्ने जस्तो छ बे.
मुला बाइक चलाएको छैन चलाएको छ
त के भयो दाइज?
म अहिले थिएन
ए कोही चाहिँ
सबै गर्ने सेक्रिफाइस गरिरहेको छ
ए बियो ल भाजो दिया
ना बिना
हो starting point Mount Teyozwu. Kolo excited na?
Huh?
Excited?
Excited.
Saya boots लगाएन ठुलो र तिनजिन नै.
Magla bags na dura tajin din lama.
Di ka na. So, think this six pack होला जान्दै छ भन्नु. किन? किन bro? ओ पाइनएप्पल दिनु आज त. हेरे खाइन चाहिँ जाने मन पर्ने. ल कसो नै भइसले दुरज नै. दुख पाछ.
Nej, du pain.
दुख पाछ कृष्ण.
Mata.
Check out the view. At first, the trail didn't seem too bad. Everyone was still fresh, still talking, and still pretending that the climb was easy. But then after a few minutes, the mountain reminded us why we came here in the first place. The smiles on our faces slowly turned into expressions of focus as the mountain started reminding us that reaching the top wouldn't be easy. Pani giris na gina kolo. Pani giris na gina.
Magno. Pani giris na.
View bala de.
Pani nagiru ni.
Jai sao, cái điều đó đây.
Sao?
Bây giờ có lẽ anh ta tại phần nào thì xem mọi gì để chơi chứ. Ai cái chơi đó. So yeah. Let's see. Cá phần chơi cả.
And the first time I saw Rasta we are here. Có giờ thế này nè. Bro, pineapple to khati na. Energy lage. Energy lage. Pineapple to khati na. Rasta harai she có gió số có đẹp vườn chứ thấp hey hey mua là gạo đi người ta tiếng cái follow của này chứ
Mới follow cái follow cái này.
follow có tiền lo chứ Rasta na janle kile anchu pineapple to moi to school age jo दूसरा तो एक ना पाइनएप्पल तो खिला दिए चल 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 तो क्या है जैसे न जाना है मंदा bunje na bunje खाई दो स्लिप खाई दो
रोने में कुछ नहीं लगा
किरले तो चाहिए दे रास्ता दे हाईवे दे घुमाई था क्यों punche na punche energy booster jauh channel api
kita booster
tupa ni sina lop to tinggal kamu
sometimes no, sometimes you have to follow the wrong path in order to reach the right path.
What?
Waking is nice.
Sudah रास्ता हरा ना ये मुझे
उल्टा रास्ता दे जाना सीखे लेसन कैमरा वाले क्यों दिखा kalau butek lelah kena tes kena
first class energy
Boleh untuk pergi jauh pada dia. Ni si jam dia nak pergi alak pergi jalan rasa dari kita.
jauh lah
I think this is the first time I am taking a very extreme kind of trail trekking. Well, the first time I was not trekking jada. Man, would cover. The first time was not.
itu first time aku jadi
The rest time tak ada na. The next kali jauh.
next
Rio badze.
bisaru like nutun
On po na jauh lah. Bender. The footage to my door. I don't know when we're gonna be reaching. I'll chill again. So put in the punjina. Tuk pa na ulit. I'll chill again. I don't know if the view is visible, but that's the view. As you guys can hear my voice, freaking tired. Aja.
trekking to आधा घंटा है ऐसे हो जाए
The sky is getting clear. Scam girls na.
scam
Good, punjule je for sale. So we meet at the top. Baya, what ka hoya? So we're finally on top of the water. Cross Cristala 2 kg jita bukin. So, okay, recommend the corner. Riding bus lang na.
नहीं ना बा आई ना ही चुच्चा से
It's freaking foggy. There's Kolo and ako jola tayo. Nambi ko ano eh.
And we finally made it to the top. After all the talking, all the climbing, and all the moments in between, we finally made it. The funny thing is when you're down there, the summit always feels so far away. Every turn looks like it could be your last, and every climb feels steeper than the one before. But then, yeah, there was not much of a view we could see because it was really foggy. So, other than the view, we decided to eat some pineapples. Brother Angole brought them.
Tadi na. Tulang naklat chili buta. Currently at the lower area, and then we were there. Now we're here, and the view here is nice. Photo kichule jaga bala balala photo. The view isn't clear, so nothing much to see. I wish it was clear, but yeah. Huh? Utade tade photo kichule balo. View balo clearly balo deshi. This is fun. The top is fun. I don't know how we're gonna get down, but yeah. We can actually take photos here. This is good.
And then, I wanted some cinematic shots, so all up acting or na video unleash. And then the boys being the boys, they were goofing around and pushing each other.
Alright, dikhana. Camera dikhana.
Since the ground was slippery. And yeah, that's pretty much whatever happened at the top. And reaching the top was only half the journey, I guess, because what goes up eventually has to come down. And as we quickly found out, getting down wasn't going to be any easier. The rain had made the trail slippery, the mud wasn't doing us any favors, and every step felt like a negotiation with gravity. One wrong footing and you'd be sliding down a lot faster than planned. But then yeah, the journey to Mount Teyozwu was a really fun one. It was filled with laughter, it was filled with tiredness, exhaustion, but yeah, at the end of the day, I'm happy I made this journey because it was all with good company, so that's all that matters, and a good memory. I don't know whatever I'm saying, but yeah, video khatam hoy siya day. Bye!